angry parrot flew back home. Just imagine your mind. Parrot gets angry, then it flies, and then it comes back to the home. So the parrot gets angry, then it flies, and then it comes back to home. So this is my parrot. My angry parrot flew back home after it's getting anger and everything. It flew back home. That's the story. So my this is this thing. You need to understand. MAPFBT. Okay, marginal, axial, parietal, free center, and base. Very easy, right? Okay, let's go to the story. Okay, this girl is walking into a garden. Okay, she's walking into a garden. Only there are many flowers out there. She's carrying a gift box. He doesn't know she's carrying a gift box. That is her personal. We don't want to go to it. She's walking into a garden. In the box, she has many stuffs. Okay, she has many stuff. Maybe from the garden, she would have collected it. And she suddenly noticed. She's saying, "My peanut fell on the side." She's saying, when she walked, her peanut fell on the side. So from the side, when you hear the side in the presentation topic, what should you remember? Side means marginal. So in the marginal presentation, our example is P pot. That is P. So she drops her P on the side of the road. So that's we can see marginal means P. Okay, that we can easily understand. Okay. Then after crossing the road, she went to a pizza shop, I think. She ate a tomato pizza. She ate a nice tomato pizza. How did pizza be looking? It would have a center, like a chair or something. You can see over here the partition. The two partitions are what we call septum, and you can see the ovules are attached to the center, like just like a pizza. With a lemon juice, she ordered a lemonade, I think. She ate a tomato pizza and a lemon juice near a hibiscus plant shop or something. So hibiscus plant is present there. So she ate a tomato pizza with a lemonade, lemon juice near a hibiscus plant. So pizza slice comes from the center, right? From the center only we'll pull the pizza and eat. So from the center there's a partition. So you should understand what it is. What type of presentation it is. This is axial. So tomato pizza, yeah, tomato plant. So in the example, we can clearly understand tomato, pizza for tomato, lemon juice for lemon, and hibiscus plant for hibiscus flower. After she ate, right? I think after she ate her tomato pizza, she saw hibiscus flower plant, right? So she walked towards a flower. That flower, hibiscus flower, it was in a wall. Okay, it was in a wall. So in the wall she's looking, she also saw mustard and cucumber stuck on the wall near a anemone flower. So in the anemone flower near, right, in the wall near there was an anemone flower. She saw the cucumbers and mustard are getting stuck. So everything is on the wall. You can see, right? Anemone flower is near the wall. The cucumber and mustard also near the wall. So everything is on the wall and near the wall. So you can see it. It is everything is on the wall. If the inner wall, the ovules are present. What you can say in the inner wall, the ovules are present. We call it as a parietal, right? In the parietal, we have mustard, cucumber, anemone. Okay, we have cucumber, mustard, and anemone. Then she saw freestanding pole, like a pole. She saw a pole or something, like a freestanding pole. She saw with a rose and dianthus flowers in the center. So she saw a pole like a pole. She saw like a lighting pole or something. In that, the dianthus and the crimson rose are in the center. In the pole center, these flowers are present. The crimson rose and the dianthus are present. So there is no walk. She can't just like there is no wall in between. So in this is like a free space. So in the center, like the pole, the flowers are present. So there is no wall, just center. So the free center, we have the example is the crimson rose and dianthus. Okay, finally, the gift she box asks, right? No, for what she's having, you can see the yellow color and everything. She was going to buy the sunflowers. I think she was going to buy a sunflower. Okay, for that only she went, but she saw it on a pot. She finally found the sunflower and marigold growing on the bottom of a pot. Okay, she was going to buy it, but she saw it in a pot. It was getting grown, so she was like, okay, we can get this pot and we can go to home. Like that she thought. So okay, in the bottom of the pot, in the bottom of the pot, you can see the sunflower and marigold flowers are growing. So bottom means what? Only at the base. So at the base we have sunflowers and marigold flowers. Okay, this is mnemonic. It is very easy and understandable. So for one line revision, first we need to have the storyline. Okay, P plant on side, it just fall, right, and she went to a tomato pizza center. And you can see she saw mustard, cucumber, anemone all stuck on the wall, everything is on the wall. And she saw a pole, right, a pole with the crimson and dianthus, right, crimson and dianthus flowers on the center without any wall. That is what it is, pre-center. And the base she saw sunflower and marigold flowers. So this is the